I'm going to show you how to show the mouse cursor in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the settings, host, settings, and then scroll down till you find the exclusive input mode and make sure to turn it off. You want to also turn off the immersive mode if you are on the client, and make sure you're not using the immersive mode. You can turn it off like that. Now you want to go back, and if the mouse cursor is being hidden while using an application such as a game or any other app that is in full screen mode, the solution is to switch that window to windowed or borderless, because some of these apps or games hide the cursor in full screen mode. And if you switch it to windowed or borderless, that should make the cursor appear. And if you still can't see it, you want to go back to the settings icon, click on the client this time, and make sure you're using the direct 3D11 renderer, and then scroll all the way down and click on edit the configuration file directly. And from here you want to go to a new line and then simply type mouse underscore pass through like this equals, and then set it to 1. And now you can save the file by going to file, save, and close that. Then you will need to restart Parsec by exiting Parsec from here or just clicking restart. And once it's restarted, you can try to reconnect to the host or whatever you're trying to connect to, and that should fix the cursor issue. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.